So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in proxy settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to make sure you have no proxy server turned on right now. So you're going to click on setup, make sure that this has been turned off, and then click on save. And now for the second step, you're going to head over to search again and type in view network connections. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to find your network adapter, you're going to double click on it, and then click on properties, and then click on Internet Protocol version 4. You're going to double click on this. Make sure they have obtain an IP address automatically selected, and obtain the NAS server address automatically also selected. So the default options basically. And then click on OK, and then click on OK again. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search again and type in manage advanced sharing settings. Click on this. And now once you're on this, you're going to expand private networks. You're going to make sure that you have network discovery turned on, and that you have file and printer sharing also turned on. Turn on both of these. And you want to make sure that you have set up network connected devices automatically, also checked. And if you're using Windows 10, you want to click on Save Changes. If you're using Windows 11, it should just do it for you automatically. And now for the last step, you want to head over to search and type in Turn Windows Features On or Off. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to scroll down until you find SMB 1.0 file sharing support. So you want to expand this. You want to turn on everything here. So you're going to check all of this, check everything here, and then click on OK. And now you just want to let this load. This is going to take a long time, so I'm just going to skip past it. But you just want to let all of this load. And then once that's been done, you just want to restart your computer. And then the problem should be fixed.